In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in Tinkercad. Now to do this, first you want to place an object. I'm going to use this cube over here, and then I'm going to extend it just a bit like this. And now to rotate, as you can see, whenever you select a specific object, you can go over here and then change its parameters like radius, length, etc. And then to rotate it, you can go and just use these buttons over here, which will rotate it along different axes, okay? So if I use this one, as you can see, I can rotate it like this. If I use this one, I can rotate it like this, or if I use this one, I can rotate it like that, okay? So that's how to actually achieve rotation, and if you click and drag, you'll be able to go very precise, or kind of like, of course, by the eye like this. So if you go in here, you're going to be able to go by, as you can see, roughly 22.5 degrees, but if you go up top and then rotate, you'll be able to go by 1 degree at a time, okay? So of course, it's gonna allow for a bit of precision, but you can do it manually as well. It's super simple, okay? That's how to rotate objects. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.